Hey everybody, it's Claire Daly here, independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Australia. So I wanted to tell you all about Celebration today. So Celebration is a fantastic promotion and it starts today with Stampin' Up! And it goes for the next 3 months. And basically it's an opportunity to get so many free things. It's a really great opportunity as a customer, really great opportunity if you're interested in signing up as well. So I thought this year I'd make a quick video just to show you how Celebration works, because sometimes customers can find it a little bit confusing. So basically it's all explained in this brochure. So if you're one of my regular customers, you would have received this in the mail in December. If you don't have one and you don't have a regular demonstrator, please contact me. I'd be happy to send one of these to you and talk to you about all of the fabulous benefits. So you can message me or email me through my website, or give me a call or send me a text. There's lots of opportunities to contact me. So basically this brochure will explain everything, as I mentioned. So as I mentioned, I wanted to tell you all about the benefits as a customer, but also for signing up. So let's look at the benefits when you're shopping first of all. So when you open the brochure, you'll find that there's these two little circles here. There's the blue circles and there's the orange circles. So they are going to show you which items can be redeemed for free during Celebration. So the blue items indicate that item can be redeemed for $90, for a $90 order. Before postage, if you put your products in and it comes to $91, you're eligible to choose anything with a blue dot in this brochure. And this year we're introducing an extra level. So there's a couple of items in the brochure which are redeemable with a $180 order. Now when I'm talking about the orders, that's in one transaction, and it's each part of as well. So say if you did a $180 order, you could either choose one of the orange ones, but you also would have had 2 lots of $90. So you could either choose one of the orange ones, or you get to choose two of the blue ones. So there's lots of opportunities, and it goes for 3 months. So the idea is to have a look through the catalogue, pick out the ones which you absolutely love, and then look at how you can save your orders up to do them in multiples of 90 or 180 so that you can choose the items that you want. So you'll see there's lots of samples in here as well, but the actual little dots are next to the products. So you'll see this one's got a blue dot. So if you had an order of $90 in one transaction, you could choose that item for free. And it goes through showing you a range of different items, and I'll show you some of those in a moment. The other thing I wanted to point out is there's actually a hostess benefit or Stampin' Reward bonus during Celebration as well. So normally when you shop and you spend $250, you get to choose 10% of that, and then normally that increases to when you get to $400, you'd get 10% of that as well, so that would be $40. But during Celebration, excuse me, if you combine orders with a friend or your personal order gets to $400, you actually get an additional $40 Stampin' Rewards. So instead of getting $40 free product, you can actually choose $80 free product. And that's in addition to 4 lots of Celebration items that you'd be able to choose with that order as well, because you've done 4 lots of $90. You could either choose 2 of the $180 level ones, or 4 of the $90 level ones, or 1 of the $180 and 2 of the $90 ones. So yeah, the Stampin' Reward benefits are in addition to the Celebration free product as well. So as I mentioned, so many awesome opportunities. So let's quickly show you some of those items. So here's some of the stamp sets. This one's beautiful peacock. Saw some fantastic things done with that. So I'm looking forward to inspiring you with that stamp set. This one here, Amazing You. So that has Let's Celebrate, You're Amazing, You're Simply Amazing, You're Amazing to Me. The cool thing about this is it's actually got some thinlits which you can redeem in the 180 level as well, so that's a bit of an interesting thing. This one's one of my favourites. Absolutely love this. It's called Epic Celebration. I think this would be a fantastic stamp set for cards for boys, girls in the teen level, so teenage group. So that's fantastic. And also in the $90 level, there's these beautiful papers, which are called Bubble and Fizz. So there's actually 12 by 12 sheets in the set. But because I've given some to some of my team members, I've just got 6 to show you here. So that's one side, and here's the other side. So lots of nice bright colours: Daffodil Delight, Calypso Coral, Lemon Lime Twist, Bermuda Bay. So they're really fantastic, fun summery papers. Showing you the two 180 level ones. So this is the stamp set. It's a double stamp set. It's one of the 180 choices. So one of the words best, and then there's a whole lot of things that go with that. Best wishes, best friends, happy anniversary, happy birthday, happy for you, wishing you a happy day. So that stamp set comes together. And then, as I mentioned, there was some thinlets which also go with one of the stamp sets. So this is also redeemable with a $180 order during celebration. So the other awesome opportunity during celebration is to join up, be a demonstrator yourself. So when we say that, people automatically think, oh my goodness, that means I've got to sell stuff. No, you can join up and just as a hobby demonstrator to experience what Stampin' Up's like just for yourself. Now, my Stampin' Up Art with Heart community is just, they're a fabulous, fun bunch of ladies. We've been around, coming up to my 11th anniversary in a couple of days. So we've been around for 11 years and we're continuing to grow. We're a really active, fun, friendly, supportive group. You'll just love our ladies. There's ladies that are in there purely as a hobby demonstrator, just want to immerse themselves in all things Stampin' Up because it's the best way to learn and the best way to get the best resources with Stampin' Up is to be a demonstrator. So, heaps of opportunities. Last year, 2017, I was named Australia's #1 demonstrator, which sort of covers a whole range of things, not just selling it. It talks about leadership throughout all levels, talks about new people coming into the company and helping them get established. So, I definitely can help you with what you want to do with the Stampin' Up journey, and I'd absolutely love to have you join us. And the benefits are huge during celebration. Not only do you get the normal $235 worth of free product when you sign up, but during celebration you get to choose 2 free stamp sets, any stamp set out of either of the annual or the occasions catalogue, any value, absolutely free. So you get to choose those with your starter kit. So it's only $169. You won't need to place, if you join during January or February or March, you don't need to reach any more sales levels until, well, actually July. So that's after the new catalogue comes out. And you also, have that time to try it out. If you decide it's not for you, you can just go back to being a customer and there's no questions asked. It's the absolute best time to join our community though. And I honestly think, our team, I might be biased, but I think it's just such a lovely, friendly, active group. And we had 70 members of my team at the last On Stage event because we just love getting together and spending time together. We love stamping together, we love chatting. We've got a really active online forum. Someone's always on there. We've got a specialised blog and social media forum where we've got, we can offer specialised support to help you. Any problems you've got establishing a blog or, getting active with social media. I do training, and this year it's going to be weekly training for free. So you just come on board as a team member and I can help guide and mentor you as all the other ladies in my team. So I hope you'll consider that. So please contact me if that's at all of interest to you. Contact me if you'd like a celebration brochure just to shop as a customer. If you've got any questions about anything to do with Stampin' Up, I'm your lady, so I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great 2018. Really looking forward to inspiring you and creating with you this year. Bye.